unveiling Mavka. So you may want to gather round because in 2 minutes it's going to happen.
Oh yes,
Has anyone seen Anastasia? Already? Now, the anticipation is important, so we all, after 3, have to go, ooh. After 3, 1, 2, 3, ooh. Good. And here she is, why we are here, Mavka, and I'm sure we all agree that she is a wonderful, wonderful symbol of the friendship between our communities and also our cultural links that we are learning so much from each other always. We love the story of Mavka, even when we hear that she is sometimes luring vulnerable men into the woodland. But so we learn from one another, and this is such a wonderful symbol of the friendship between us. And again, I know that she will be embarrassed, Anastasia here, but we must thank her for driving all of this and making it happen. So Anastasia, thank you again. So we have to have a countdown from from 10 through to 1, or then cut, but it must be in Ukrainian. Okay? So not me. You have to start. So go.